Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. And in this video I'm going to share you that the review about my PW flashbooks. And so yesterday I received my PW flashbook, and the flashbooks are very nice. And I just took a quick revision in one day, and now my review is available about that PW flashbook. And first of all, you will watch the unboxing video of PW flashbook, and after that I am going to tell you the review about the books. Unboxing, and now I'm telling about the books. So first of all, you will receive accounts flashbook in that, and after that you will receive quantitative aptitude flashbook, and also with it you will receive business economics flashbook, and after that business laws flashbook. Okay, in all this flashbook सबसे छोटा ये बिजनेस लॉस का ये है फ्लैशबुक है, and these are very nice flashbooks. I read it for whole one day, and I have the reviews ready for me for you. And okay, the books are very nice, and in this all the syllabus and all the points are given in a chart format, and in this like that here given in the all chart format, and it's law, and given in bullet points and all like that first point, and there are 3 bullet points in that, and every chapter is given like that. So it's for it's nice for revision, but I will not recommend this for your daily study. Okay, for your daily study please refer ICAI module. After that, if you want to refer then you can refer the PW that PW notes, right? But please don't refer these flashbooks for your daily study. Flashbooks are only for revision. Okay, they are specified in the special when you order the flashbooks on that web page. It is given that about the flashbooks when you see the flashbooks description, it is given that that the flashbooks are only for revision purpose. Don't use it for your daily study. Please refer ICAI module, because the questions will be asked from the ICAI module, not from the flashbooks and not all these things. Okay, so please, first of all, your first preference should be ICAI module, and after that if you want to do the extra revision, and if you want to solve the extra questions for the accounts and for also business laws theory questions, so then for secondary part you can refer PW notes. And also if you want to refer all other tuition classes and all their notes, you can also refer their notes. But please don't refer flashbooks for your daily study. If there is a weekly test, and PW also offers some weekly test in their batches. And next video I will upload about the batch description about PW Sampurna Jain 27. About that batch video I will definitely upload next video, and in this I will tell you detail about that all batch. Okay, so weekly PW test, and also weekly classes tuitions test they are given. So for weekly test only for 1 to 2 hours about the chapter you can just refer it, or only for 1 day before test, and about only for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, not like more than that. And please, for paper don't study from here this, just take it for revision purpose, and you can do that. You know what the best part about the flashbooks is? This is the quantitative aptitude flashbook, and it is the very best part of this whole flashbook series, because in the quantitative aptitude subject that all the chapters are there, and you will receive just quick notes, and also just these are here, and you will definitely receive all these things about the all formulas about the chapters, like differentiation formulas, integration formulas, and after that ratio formulas, that duplicate subduplicate ratios and all. You will receive all the formulas in a chart format and all. It is very helpful for the exam revision, for quick revision. Okay, it's very helpful. So about the this is the advantage of this flashbook series, that quantitative aptitudes formula charts. This is the very best advantage I saw ever. And for business economics part, I will definitely tell you to refer the differences between that. Like there is a microeconomics and macroeconomics. Please refer difference between micro and macro. Don't if you are studying for the paper, and if you want to do attempt the paper in 1 hour and in 2 hours, don't study all these definitions and all. Just study and just look out all these differences. You will study betterly. And in this business economics flashbook, there is a differences given like this. It's I think positive economics, normative economics, and this is capitalist economy, socialist economy. All these things are given in that, and it is given the difference format. I like this concept of this business economics flashbook, and here is also written that quick revision for business economics. So please don't refer it for study. Okay, and for the accounts purpose, I like in accounting flashbook, I like this that about the accounts you don't have to study all these patterns and all this like names of that particulars, date, amount. You don't have to study all these things, and you don't have to solve the questions. If you want to just quick revision for the accounts exam, then it is the best part given in this, that is partners. See, this partners capital accounts format. The formats of all the accounts are given in this accounts model, and it's a very best part of accounts, because if you want to do the quick revision of the that formats, all these formats, so it is a very best for the quick revision of accounts. So this is my final review about the CA Foundation Business Laws and Accounts, Business Economics, Quantitative Aptitude Flash books. And now also again I am saying you don't use it for daily study. You just use it for exam quick revision, and you can also refer for your weekly exams for only 1 or 2 hours. And for that use it. Don't use it for daily study. Okay, for quick revision. And if you want to purchase these books, so I'm giving you the I'm giving you a batch coupon code in the description. With you can save your money. That some of your money will be saved from that coupon code. So use that coupon code. And also, if you want to purchase these flash books, I'm giving a link of that PW books flash books in the description. You can refer from that. And this is about our today's video. We'll meet in next video. Okay, till then, bye bye.